My grandmama used to say every home keeps the voices of the people who loved it. She taught me the names of flowers and how every season arrives exactly when it's meant to. She taught me that time is not something to chase, it is something to notice. She filled my childhood with stories that somehow became my own memories. She never hurried a sunset. She believed some endings deserve to be watched all the way through. She also told me that broken hearts can mend, not all at once, but little by little. It's been years. I'm still waiting for mine to mend. I miss her every day.